Yo, what up YouTube, it's your boy AM coming to you with another unboxing video. But before we start, you can see I have a new different setup. I'm trying it out, see if it works. I've been on vacation for 2 weeks, so you haven't seen any videos of me in the last 2 weeks. That's because I've been on vacay, but I'm back. I'm on the grind, I'm ready to roll. Like I said, I have an unboxing video. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button. If you want to know when the video comes out, exact moment that I posted, you better hit that notification bell button. But today we're coming to you with the Corsair RGB Platinum keyboard. Woo! As y'all know, I got a gaming PC, so I'm gonna open this bad boy up for you and let you know how it goes. See you in a bit. Yo, we're back. So I brought my handy dandy knife to open up any packages that we have for this unboxing video. As I promised, I got you the Corsair K95 Platinum keyboard. So what makes this keyboard a little bit special is that I picked it up because I was looking to get a keyboard that has some cherry mechanical switches on there, so I can get those really cool touches and all that good stuff on it. So this is the reason why I picked it up. And then they have other keyboards that are pretty dope too, but if I'm gonna get a keyboard, might as well go with the best, and I think this is the best. Some people out there might disagree. Other people will say, like, you know, there are other keyboards that are a lot better, but I don't know. I test them out in store. I was messing with them for a while. I kind of like the way they feel, like the way they click. Felt like, you know, the perfect match for AM, so might as well pick this up. So right here we have the front of the box. Like I said, Best Buy, so they put a big old nasty sticker on there. I don't know what that's for, but I wish I could take that off, but it's hard to take off. Here's a picture of the keyboard. The graphic on the front, not very high definition. It looks kind of blurry, but whatevs. As long as everything inside is cool. So here we have the Corsair logo. It says it's RGB, so you have all those cool little lights. Right here we got all the different functions that has it in there, which is pretty dope. Flip it around to the back side, we get to look at a little bit more of the specs. Tells you a little bit more what's inside of there. It says it has 8 megabit profile storage and then built into the keyboard, which is pretty dope. Download some drivers for that sucker so you can make a keyboard look all flashy, dope, cool, whatever you wanted to do. That's the underside of that. We already looked at that. Here's some more technical specs for you to check it out. It's 100% cherry mechanical key switches, which is dope. 32 ARM Cortex processor. I don't know what that means, but I hope that's dope as well too. Inside the box we got this yellow little thing that says K95 Platinum. That's pretty much the outside of the box. So let's check out what's inside this bad boy. So it's taped up here on the side. Ooh, my knife almost fell off. So I'll slice that open. Come to this side. Slice that open. So we'll keep diving in a little deeper and deeper as we go. So I popped open the sides, and I'm just going to push on one side to push out the other. Ooh, I like this already. So we have like a thin box covering another box. Here on the front we have the little Corsair logo. This box is just like blacked out all the way, kind of giving like a premium feel. I would hope so. The keyboard comes in about 200 bucks, but I picked it up on sale, which is dope, so save me some money there. Something I didn't have to spend. So we'll just pop the top like that. Comes off. Get a little cushion in there so you don't break anything in transportation. The keyboard is in a nice plastic bag, which is sweet. We'll pull this out. Let's look at this stuff real quick. So right here we have a little container, which I think is just for the cord. Ooh. Ooh. Dang. Okay, first off, this cord is dope. This is a braided cord, and it feels super good. Like you can yank on this boy and it won't break. You can like throw it off a cliff and then you have your homeboy hang on to it and then he won't even fall to his death. That's how good this cord feels. I'm not gonna lie, this braided cord is dope. And even these USB plugins feel really good. Okay, so I spent about $160 on this keyboard. This braided cord alone is worth the $160 price point. It's quality right off the back. It feels like quality. I'm digging this. I can't wait to even open up this thing. I'm liking this already, man. This is already a great unboxing video, man. That cord alone, man. A lot of products that come with cords, and they're, you know, they're plasticky and sometimes they're braided, but they don't feel as amazing as this. And especially with this USB port of it. Has a cool little design on there, and it has that Corsair logo. Man, that's pretty sweet. You know, those are the type of things you look for when you spend a lot of money on something. And that right there alone just shows you, like, they paid that little extra detail and was like, you know, we're gonna make you pay $200 for a keyboard, which is ridiculous anyways, but the fact that they put a lot of attention into it is really dope. So the knife is going away, so that's done. So we'll take a look at this keyboard. You hear that? That's the sound of cherry key switches. That's so dope. So what makes this keyboard really cool is that it's brushed aluminum on the front side of it, and then on the bottom has just different profile stands for you to mess with, which is pretty cool. And the keyboard right at the back feels really good. It's like, feels like a legit keyboard. Not like in a sense that it's like, you know, functional, but it feels really good. Like the quality of it feels amazing. I mean, I was a little hesitant to spend so much money on a keyboard, but this is probably like one of the first things that I've unboxed, and I felt like, you know, it's kind of worth the price that you pay for it. I mean, I already can tell it's probably going to last me a long time, and I'm not going to have any issues with it. You know, my computer will probably break down before this does, which is saying a lot, even though maybe there has a bad history of it. I don't know. I didn't look up anything about it. I just felt it in store. I like the way the keys pressed in. I like the way it looked, and so I picked that up. But you know how like the stuff in the store, they have it on display. They're always like jacked up because every little kid with their little snot nose is like pushing it in, so it's like missing keys and everything. And all I got to do is fill a couple of things. I also like this, which was one of the coolest things that I wanted. You know, set these up as hotkeys. I think they call them like macro keys, but you know, you can hook them up for like whatever you want to do, and that is so dope. Okay, so let's put this keyboard down right here, and let's just keep digging in deeper. Right here we have additional key switches. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm liking that. You know, set your profile up so you can get, you know, your little keys going, make them look all awesome, hitting those fingers, you know what I mean? Making sure your gaming's tight, making sure you don't forget any of your presses. Has RGB, has all different profiles. I know it does like a bunch of cool stuff. I'll get into that a little bit more later. Here we have the instruction manual for the thing. We don't read those things. Warranty guide. Man, for $200 I shouldn't have any problems with that, but if it does, you know, they got the warranty against defects. That's pretty dope. So this is kind of like the last of the box that's in there. So what we have here is just the box. That's it. And then this is like the last piece of it. So let's just keep digging in deeper and see what we have. Okay, so it says open here on the sides. We're gonna pop this tab open and just pull this sucker out. So there's like nothing in there. So we'll just toss that box down. And we'll just keep digging inside. So what we have here is a cute little hand rest that you hook onto your keyboard like that, and you can like rest your little wrist on there like that. Let's just pull this stuff off. Ooh, that thing just pops off. Oh, look at that. So you can go like buy other accessories. Maybe get like a little cushion pad if your wrist is a little dainty, you know, you need a little bit of cushion there. Just a little cushion to keep your wrist from getting all tired and stuff like that. This is the hard one, the hard plastic that comes with it. Just slaps right in there. Kind of feels like it's magnetized, which is a pretty nice little feature that they have there. So let me pop this sucker open. Oh my gosh, I might have to go get my knife. I closed the knife too early. Corsair probably knew that I was going to do this unboxing, so they're like, haha, we'll just trick them. And then they double wrapped this little sucker up big time in like plastic. The hardest shrink wrap plastic you ever felt. So there we go. First thoughts. This little rest pad actually feels really good. It gives you two types of sides. One is like, you know, like a grip side. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Yeah, you can barely see that grip side. And then here's like kind of like a smooth side. So it just depends on how you feel like playing it. You know, you put it on there, you have a little smooth side. But say your wrist is like super slippery and so you need some grip, so you got the grip side. It's a cool little touch. You know, they think about it. You know, they thought it through it and they give it to you. But man, I like this keyboard. This keyboard is dope. Look at that. Look, it feels responsive, feels great. All my gaming is gonna be dope on this sucker. Look at that. I'm ready to roll. Gonna hit those headshots in Fortnite now. Don't have to worry about getting killed so easy. You can build walls real quick like that. See that? That's why you get a good keyboard to build those walls. And then if you like get too stressed out because you're coming in last place in Fortnite, just hit that music, you know, and just chillax a little bit. Then you're like, all right, I'm back to killing. Hit the stop button and start going at it again. And you have like all these cool profiles on there you can hit. That's pretty sweet. Man, the keyboard feels so great. I mean, this is probably like one of the best things I've opened up so far. Not gonna lie. Yeah, even the plastic on the back feels good. And even like this little design they did there. I mean, and those are all little touches, but man, is that sweet. Totally digging that. I don't know what to say, man. I'm just kind of like dumbstruck. This keyboard is dope. The handrest is pretty cool, even though I'm probably not going to use it. I mean, it feels like built good quality plastic. It's magnetic, you know. I mean, but these keys feel great. The braided cord blew my mind. This cord alone is like so dope. It's like feels so strong. I love it. Right off the bat, I love this keyboard. I'm excited to hook it up to my computer and start playing with it. So if you like what you saw, hit that like button. If you want to talk trash or you agree with me, comment. And if you want to see more of this great, awesome videos that I'm putting out for you, you better hit that subscribe button. And if you want to stay up to date and not be out of the loop, you better hit that notification, or is that the notification bell button? I think that's what it's called. Yeah, hit that sucker and then you get all the videos. All right, this is your boy AM. Peace.